So I got that part off. Said you need an 8mm socket. Got that. I put this behind it. And where the little tube go? And I use this. So pretty much what I did was I took this so I wouldn't mess up this and just use this to pop it up. Started from right here, pop it up, then I just pulled it up, popped up, and which exposed this. Next, what I gotta do is get an 8mm socket. The video I watched, he took this whole thing off and everything, but I'm gonna try to skip past that. It's like a lot of extra more work. So what you do is take this socket with an extension, 8mm, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
You won't smoke, it's crying. Again, we mobbing Nate. Let me hold up, I got him. I'm starting my morning a blunt and exotic. I wanna rock right now, rock a Robin. I'm bending and bobbing, I stay with a thick little yellow like Christopher Robin. I name my drink Mr. Miyagi, cause how that bitch kickin' must know some karate. Ouch, don't get stretched like Pilates, the Glocky, you know how to bend up a body. It hurt. We don't snitch, no signing. Wait, hold up.
Just the boat. That's one of them. Let's get this other one off. See how I'm gonna go about this. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this all the way out. Make sure I don't let nothing drop behind there. I don't know what issues it may cause, but you know, make sure you get everything from right there. And then this one, probably want to take it and go, move it up a little bit.
Hey, we talking shit. Problem. This 40 cal bit is knocking. I fucked this bitch, he whining. She bent over, understood the assignment. Hey, you won't smoke, it's crying. Again, we mobbing Nate. Let me check my fresh eye.
Got the second one off. Alright. Now for the plate. So, I'm guessing it probably goes this way. Let's see.
Diamonds on my neck, I keep a stitch up like a Jedi. Watch me bend my neck out. East side, west side, north side, south side. If I up that Glock boy, never broke again. Top boy, RP bang.
Very critical. You be careful with this part, cause you don't want this boat to fall down in there, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it so it don't fall in there. Let's probably start with this one in the front. Lights is a big issue, man. Make sure you got the proper lighting, man. Let that sit up there. So boom, we got this. I actually want to try to get it started before. Don't want to drop this in there. That's what you don't want to do. So I need to probably get some tape and tape it on there just a little bit so it don't fall off. Took a piece of tape, taped it around this so I can get it in there without.
Watch me beat this pot out. Dope boy magic tie dye. Watch me grab my neck out. Like I'm trying to flex high. I pop the bean, the red kind. Up all night, the red eye. You gon' rob who? Midnight. Yeah, I rock, bitch, Hey, hey, hey. My Draco body count Tiana Trump. Switch on the click, new pump. B2K, that bitch go bum, bum, bum.
So we got both of them on there now. Just to tighten it down.
in my salad, I feel like a crew.
So we got that in there. Then we got this one in there. And I did all that without even having to take all this off. You ain't gotta take all that off. And we just pop it back in place. So now, get it. We'll pop everything back in place. Down, down. Down, down. We in there like swimwear. Plate back in there. Then we can pop it back down. It makes this plate stick up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, you might have to leave this piece out. So we can't use that piece in there because it's too much. So
Let me check my fresh eye. Diamonds on my neck. I keep a stitch up like a Jedi. Watch me bend my neck. East side, west side, north side,